call 511.
Oh, why? Where's it going?
511 is at Fort York.
Oh, I have to pick it up over there? It's a bus?
Yeah, but it's a bus, but I do not know the bus stop.
Oh.
I see the bus going on Fort York, but I don't know the
Okay.
bus stop.
That's fine.
I just did 509, so
Yeah.
I'll take this one because we're going to come in 20 minutes.
Oh, gosh.
Construction back there, I see it from my balcony. So
Oh, okay.
it's a pain in the ass.
It is. Such
Such
a
where the bus stop is.
inconvenience.
So, like,
Oh, I see a bus stop sign there.
it's like the bus will stop on this side, but where the construction is, it might be like way down on the other side.
Oh, wow.
They're ripping up everything as like 5:30 in the morning. All you hear is like
For
excavators.
for the FIFA.
Oh,
For the
no.
soccer, I think, probably.
No, but like they're ripping up part of the road.
Yeah.
Like pipes and stuff underneath the
Oh, maybe something else.
Yeah, it started with like one little excavator and like a little manhole cover, and now like everything is being ripped up in that road. So,
Great.
yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks. Ah. Three stops. This is definitely an inconvenience for people in this area to catch the transit system. 3 stops before getting onto the replacement bus. No proper signage to tell us where to catch the bus.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Through the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you feel